Use a hardwood floor nailer. A hardwood floor nailer is something that you can use when laying down new flooring to your home. You can rent one from your local hardware store or purchase one if you plan to do a lot of remodeling in your home. Using a hardwood floor nailer may be difficult at first, but as you get used to it, nailing floors down will be easier. It is better to install your new flooring by yourself so that you will not have to hire someone else to do the job for you. Below are some of the tips that you can use when working on your flooring with a hardwood floor nailer. Tools to prepare. The tools that you need to prepare for this job are the pieces of hardwood flooring that you are going to install, hardwood floor nailer, nails, nailing shoe, and a mallet. Make sure that you have enough nails and pieces of hardwood floor to cover the entire area that you want to remodel. Install first few hardwood pieces. It is better to work on the edges near the wall first and work your way towards the center. To do this, lay down the pieces on the edge of the wall first. Attach the nailing shoe to the hardwood floor nailer. Position the hardwood floor nailer on the piece of hardwood that you will attach and hammer down the hardwood floor nailer with the mallet. Do this until you have attached all the pieces of hardwood near the wall. Install other hardwood floor pieces. Once you are working away from the wall, you can already remove the nailing shoe. You can now install the pieces of hardwood flooring without the use of the nailing shoe, since the wall will not be an obstruction to your installation. When installing pieces next to each other, make sure that there are no spaces in between them. Pack them together as tightly as you can so that you will end up with smooth flooring. Install the nails about 2 to 3 inches away from both ends of the hardwood flooring pieces. Be careful when you use the mallet to hit the nailer so that you won't hit your hand. Finishing the hardwood flooring. After you are done with the floors, inspect your work to see if you need to install more nails. Afterwards, purchase some floor putty that is the same color as your hardwood floor pieces. Use the putty according to the instructions on the package. The putty will be able to cover the nails so that the color of the nails will not stand out against the color of your flooring. Allow the putty to dry completely. These are the steps that you can follow when installing new hardwood floor pieces at home. The job may be daunting at first, but once you get used to handling the nailer and nailing the pieces down, it will be an easier job. Think of the money that you can save by doing the job on your own.